Hello, welcome back to another paper chaser tutorial. Today we're going to be making these super fun and festive paper string lights. You can find all of the materials on the screen right now, and remember you can find the templates and more on my website at paperchaser.to. Now once you have your template, you're going to want to print it out and cut it out of some really nice thick cardstock. With the bulb strip, we're going to fold it in half, making sure that the holes are aligned, and then we're going to splay it out by pushing down on the tip of the bulb. Then repeat this to the rest of your pieces. Now, taking the bulb base, we're going to fold along all of the score lines. As you can see right here, I have stacked all of my base pieces together so that the folding is a lot faster. Now we're just going to spread some glue onto the tab piece here. You can tell because it is slightly tapered. And then we're going to fold it in half, making sure that the holes are aligned and squishing it down firmly. And you know the routine, repeat this to the rest of your base pieces. So for this video right now, you're going to be seeing me making only 4 of these light bulbs, but in total I made 20 of them, which gave me a string of lights probably around 2.5 feet long. So using that, you can gauge approximately how many you want to make the desired length of string lights. So once all of the bases are glued and dried, we will pinch the sides and sort of prop them up into 3D form. And then we're going to slide the bulb piece through the base, aligning the holes. Now grab your string and we're going to take some tape and we're going to tape off the ends so that the string fibers don't fray as much. Here I'm using a bit of jute. It's a nice thick and dense string and it's very fibrous, which is why I needed to tape the ends. Now simply thread the light bulbs with the base straight onto the string. So with all the different colors of lights that you use, you can string them on in a certain pattern. Here I'm just keeping it with a ABCD pattern, just keeping it simple. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to knot the ends and then hang them up. As you can see, it is super cute along your doorway and it was very simple to make. I hope you guys have enjoyed that tutorial. And as always, if you have, please share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to like up this video. And if you want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye.